Hello guys, welcome to another day with ZIMALETA. Today I'm at Wyndham Resorts, guys, and I'm actually really excited. Wyndham Resorts, thank you so much for setting us up in this really beautiful room here with 3-bedroom, total like 4 beds, and I'm pretty sure like that couch like reclines and stuff like that. This is really big, this is really awesome. There's total of like 2 bathrooms in here and stuff like that. Wyndham Resorts, thank you. And not only that, you guys also gave us 2 restaurant tickets for us to go to and a Skywell ticket, which is awesome. So wow. All I have to say is wow, guys. You should check them out. First thing right off the bat, just us getting here, just getting checked in and stuff. Everybody's super nice. Everybody's like super nice. And they just upgraded my room. Now I'm gonna show you what the room looks like, the one I actually got a little while ago, which looks really awesome. It was just not the room that we ordered. It was looking amazing. But we ordered the ocean front and they put us an ocean view. But it was like really awesome. Like a 319 is on a different size than a 324 is. So I'm gonna head over there before my wife and the kids get to make it here, and I'm gonna get the first chance to actually make a video of that room. There it is, guys. 319, there it is. Let's check it out, guys. Oh man, I'm actually kind of excited. They said I'm gonna love this room. Check it out. Bedroom here. Bedroom right here. We're gonna continue. We got the bathroom right there. We got the kitchen. And a living room. And then another bed. How about that? And then we got 2 balconies. I think they're interconnect. Guys, this is amazing. Look at that. Overlooking the pool and the ocean. How sweet is that, guys? Anyways, guys, I'm pretty sure you could tell I'm very excited because I really am. This is probably like the best room that I ever stayed in at Myrtle Beach Resorts, because we tried to stay at like different type of resorts. This happens to be one of the Wyndham chain resorts. All of these units, they're owned by actual people. They own them. So they make them look really nice. And I guess every one of these rooms, they have like their own little setup, which is unique. But guys, there was absolutely like no reason to try to treat me so nice and special. I mean, I ordered like 2 queens, oceanfront, and this is what I got instead. You know, 3 bedrooms, full kitchen. I mean, what more can you ask for? I mean, this is gonna be like, I don't know, like a video making heaven for me, because I gotta make some videos, guys, some unboxing videos and some other videos. This is gonna be like really awesome. And kids could have like, each one of them could have like their own room if they wanted to. But anyways, let's take a closer look. Right here, let's unlock it. There you go. We could get out. Look at that, guys. Beautiful pool overlooking the ocean and these other very nice hotels. And yes, these bedrooms, they're interconnected. I think this is locked. No, it's not. Looks like we could go right in. So obviously this is like a master suite with a TV. Boom. There's a closet. It's got its own bathroom with granite countertops. Look at that, guys. This is amazing. Like this is just lovely. I just want to, get you guys like all of this experience. And then you walk out, you see a beautiful kitchen, opens up to a nice table and a living room. And then you keep going. It's like, hey kids, where are you at? Are you in a bathroom? Nope. Are you in the bedroom? Oh, yeah. Boys will be right there. Kevin and Jason. Perfect for them. They're going to have a TV over there. Nice window for them to look out of. A couple pictures. And, of course, closets for the clothes. And we got a guest room. How awesome is that? Now I'm thinking, we're one man short. Guys, look at this. On this side, we're overlooking this pool and that slide right there. And the weather right now, guys, is actually quite nice. Guys, you start off right there. And then slide out of there. You know, this obviously looks like it's right across the pool that's on the other side. So chances are indoor and outdoor pools, they're kind of like interconnected. So you could probably quickly slide down the slide, run inside, jump in the hot tub. As soon as you go down the elevator, the first floor, this is what you see, an indoor pool. And then you got the hot tub right here, a lazy river behind this little pool, and looks like it's just warm water or hot water at that. And then it's overlooking these beautiful stairs. Wow. By the way, guys, I'm actually getting ready to walk up to the room that my wife is in right now. I'm not gonna tell her anything. I'm just gonna say, hey, okay, I got us, room changed and stuff like that. I'm just gonna like be quiet and get her reaction as she walks into that other room, because she totally does not expect that, because she thinks that we just got, double queen oceanfront, which is already nice enough, but we actually got like 3 bedrooms instead, and living room and everything, full kitchen, which is gonna be. Here we go, guys. We're at 324 right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and swipe my card and go ahead and get her reaction inside of the room, while actually I tell her, to go off to that room. You ready to change the rooms? Okay, let's go. By the way, I wanted to show you the room that we currently have. Look, it's also very nice kitchen. There's a microwave, there's a stove, there's a phone, there is a faucet, granite countertops, a fridge. There is a couch here, a TV. Bedroom, guys. Look, it looks very nice, very clean, very amazing. Nice earth tones. I like the colors. Hey, Kevin, you like this room?
Yes.
Yeah, it looks very nice, doesn't it? So let's observe some other things. So we just got like a little nook over here. Oh my goodness, guys. There's a washer and dryer here. What? Many hotels did you see to have washer and dryer? Even though this is Wyndham Resorts, this is resorts. I never seen it, guys. If you've seen washer and dryer in a hotel, let me know, because I never seen it before. It tells me there's a dishwasher in here. Oh yeah, there's a dishwasher. Like, wow, like all these things that's included. That is really awesome. If there was only beer in the fridge, right? We don't drink beer. Let's go to the right room. Hey guys, we're at 319 right now. Time to swipe the card and see what we're gonna have. Here we go, guys. The moment of truth. Yeah, Kevin and Jason, your names are written all over these 2 beds. Kevin and Jason, that's your room. Yeah. Bathroom.
Вау! Ой, дети, смотрите, как красиво!
Yeah, we got a kitchen island here. Look, isn't that amazing?
Ух ты! Мы в таком первый раз, да?
Yeah.
Ух ты! Сколько тут...
Master bedroom, honey. Overlooking the ocean.
Блин, как много комнат!
And
Смотри! Ух ты!
master bathroom with the walk-in closet.
It's amazing!
Yeah,
Ooh.
you're gonna be happy.
I'm very happy.
Look at the outside. Isn't it awesome? Oh, what do you say, honey? You like? Do you like?
Wow, I love it, honey.
All right.
Awesome. Тут видишь, входа есть с двух сторон, guys.
This is, honey, this is the best room we stayed in, right? Like, this is the best one. It is the guys. One of the things that my wife said when she walked in here, and this is like not because I told her. She said in Russian that this is the best one we ever stayed in, and we stayed at some really nice resorts, guys. We like to travel, as you could tell. Right now, we just travel all over the country, and especially to our lovely Myrtle Beach, probably like the famous beach in America, probably. But we love to travel here, and eventually, we will travel across the world. That would be very Hey guys, we're back at room 319. We finally have settled in, so let me show you the kitchen a little bit, because this is gonna be my favorite part probably for the next couple days. We got our fruits, choice of fruits, cereals, bunch of these nature, simply nature type of chips. They're very tasty, by the way, guys. You should definitely give them a try. Here's our refrigerator. As you can see, plenty of drinks, plenty of food. We could make some sandwiches and stuff like that while we're here. And of course, we're going to be going out to restaurants as well. We got a coffee maker right here. Some coffee cups, including wine cups, but we don't have any wine. And I actually removed some of those trays out of there. And then we have coffee mugs, plates, and what have you. So that is that, and it looks like we got some utensil here. We got like a can opener, wine opener, and a bunch of other stuff. And we got some cutting boards over there. Looks like a juice maker and another coffee maker, just in case, I guess. More utensils for cooking. Empty drawer. Some pans, like some pans and pots over there, and forks and spoons here. And that's pretty much it. Even a dishwasher. It is closed right now, but it looks like we could actually wash some dishes. Kids are having a blast. They're totally enjoying it. Washer and dryer in here as well. Very nice. Hey guys, check this out. There's a hot tub outside and it's actually pretty hot, and right now it's actually not that cold outside, so I'm actually probably gonna take advantage of the hot tub. There it is. And there's actually access from that pool. You could get in to where the lazy river, everything's actually right at the bottom. And we could actually take advantage of that. But we're probably gonna go ahead and go to the actual beach and run around. Hey guys, you know what I can't wait to do? Is try some of this hot salsa. I just actually bought some before we left, and I got some restaurant chips over here. And I think it's gonna be delicious. Let's see here. Mmm. Wow, it's hot. That is the life, guys.
To leave, already packing. Come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action. What we can be. Life with no distractions. We'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go. Be free with me. Be free.
My name is Serge ZIMALETA. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now, I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprinter expedite their business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.